Auzubillahi minash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adil Shahir. I hope you all are fine, live your life happily, and be a gratitude among the blessings of Allah. Today's video is in English variant. Let's start with the story. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a village. Once in a day, he just walking through in his fields from the outside of his village. Suddenly, he saw there an unconscious snake. The snake is suffering from cold and just stiffening to be freezing from the cold. The farmer know it consciously that how much poisonous the snake is, but yet he just remembered his pittiness, and just among the kindness of humanity, he picked the snake up and bring him home. The snake already know that how poisonous the snake is, but yet he again provided him the environment that he completely recovered on its first condition. In some days, or in an hour, or in 2 to 3 hours after, with the warm weather, in the surrounding by warm weather, the snake again become a strength that he is too much strength in his previous days. And just when he opened his eyes and see around him, he saw the farmer who just picked him up from the deadly life to give him a life again. But he don't know and he don't care about the farmer, and but unconsciously or by consciously, he just bite the farmer. The farmer crying shoutedly, and again he just shouted again and again. He just called himself as a cruel. He just called the farmer as a disloyal or a cruel thing, because the farmer saved him from the fields. But he just know that how much deadly the poisonous is, and when he take his breathing, his last, he just say his the last wishes. He says to his people and to his family and to the other villagers, he says that the villagers, the people, you look at me, I am the person who take a pity on the cruel. Just look at me and take a lesson from me, because I am gone. Just because of that, I have take pity on the cruel things. So here reality is that some peoples are just as deadly as the poisonous of the snake, as the poison of the snake. But we must remember and we must avoid from these people, because we don't know how they behave with us by their own time, and how much we take pity with them, but they can definitely bite us in their definite time. We must remember these kinds of people and just be aware from these kinds of people, because we don't know on how much time, on where and why they bite us, and we are just feeling deadly poisonous like the farmer. Just be aware from those people who just think about their own benefits in every kind or in every area of your life or in their life. Just be aware to be the company, live with the company of those people who are take pity on the other persons that is able to take a pity, and just don't take pity on the cruels. Thank you.